Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Review with Samesh and welcome to Diet and Exercise Expertise Product Review. Bank Easy Commission promoting diet and exercise expertise. Your subscriber would get unrestricted use right to diet and exercise expertise. Full unrestricted use rights. Friends, dear supporter, JB's Hours Appear, thank you for checking out my list offer. It has been a awesome year and as such, I want to especially invite you to amazing lunch. We're going out unrestricted use rights to diet and exercise expertise that your subscriber can leverage to eat healthy diet, stay fit and healthy by following actionable tips and lessons shared inside this guide. I want to especially invite you to help me pass on the access link and diet and exercise expertise your subscribers. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.